Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and this is a device that does indeed have the Google Account Lock enabled, because as we can see here, as we're going through the setup steps, we get to the screen that tells us that the phone was factory reset, and to continue, we need to either verify the previous security screen lock pin that was used, or if we tap on Use My Google Account instead, it gives us this option to also sign in with the Google account that was previously on the phone. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on the specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was locked. So we're now making this video today to show everyone and show proof that we do offer a service to be able to remove this exact lock from this model without having to have the previous user's login information. It's something that we do directly to the device while it's plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect through the internet right to your computer to perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here with this one. So actually, before starting the video, we had already done 99% of the work necessary to remove the lock. Now that I've plugged it in to finish up the last step, we should be able to see that after it reboots, that it actually goes directly to the home screen, thereby completely bypassing the entire setup process and the Google account lock along with it. So that's finished up. I can go ahead and unplug it here. And again, we're just doing this for visual proof so that you guys know that it is actually something that can be done. We're not trying to lie or trick anyone here by signing in with our own Google account or anything of that nature. You can see very clearly that the device was on the Google lock screen, and then once we plugged it in to do the last step, the phone just rebooted. And as you can see, it does go directly to the lock screen where the messages and notifications normally show up. And if we go ahead and swipe away on that, we can see that it goes directly to the home screen with full access to all of the apps and settings and features, and this is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While we're here, I'm going to pop into the settings just to show you exactly what we are working with. So under About Phone, we can indeed see that we have a Galaxy Note 20, and of course it has the 5G function, and then that model number there, the SM-N981U1, this is the model of the Note 20 that is sold directly by Samsung through their retail stores and their websites. That doesn't come with any carrier software. It already comes carrier unlocked, blah, blah, blah. So, if you have one of these Note 20s from Samsung and need help getting the Google lock removed from it, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.